7 Healthy Tortilla Wraps Recipe. Hi and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Are you looking for a healthier alternative bursting with flavor and easy to prepare? Then this video is perfect for you. These recipe features 7 delicious tortilla wraps with ingredients that are easily available and completely healthy. Enjoy wholesome meals that include vegetables, proteins, and much more with our easy-to-follow recipes. Say goodbye to boring meals and hello to fabulous healthy food. Number 1. Tortilla Salad Wrap, 220 calories. Indulging in a tortilla salad wrap with approximately 220 calories offers a convenient and nutritious option to enjoy a balanced meal. Packed with vibrant mixed greens, diced tomatoes, sliced cucumbers, black beans, corn, shredded cheese, and a light dressing, this wrap provides a satisfying combination of flavors, textures, and essential nutrients to support a healthy lifestyle. Here are the specific ingredients for a tortilla salad wrap. 1 cup mixed greens, about 50 grams, 1/4 cup diced tomatoes, 1/4 cup sliced cucumber, 1/4 cup black beans, 1/4 cup corn, 2 tablespoons shredded cheese, 2 tablespoons light dressing, whole wheat tortilla or wrap. Here is the process for making tortilla salad wrap. Number 2. Turkey Tortilla Wrap, 300 calories. Savoring our turkey tortilla wrap with approximately 300 calories offers a tasty and satisfying meal choice. Filled with lean turkey, crisp vegetables, flavorful condiments, and wrapped in a tortilla. This wrap provides a balanced combination of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, making it a wholesome option for a well-rounded diet. Here are the specific ingredients for turkey tortilla wrap. 150 grams sliced turkey breast, 1 whole wheat tortilla, 1/4 cup shredded lettuce, 1/4 cup sliced tomatoes, 1/4 cup sliced cucumbers, 1 tablespoon mustard or mayonnaise, salt and pepper to taste. Here is the process for making turkey tortilla wrap. Number 3. Egg and avocado tortilla, 200 calories. Savoring an egg and avocado tortilla with approximately 200 calories offers a nutritious and satisfying meal option. Packed with protein-rich eggs and healthy fats from avocado, this tortilla provides a balanced combination of nutrients to fuel your day, while its flavorful ingredients and convenient wrap format make it a delicious and portable choice. Here are the specific ingredients for egg and avocado tortilla. 2 large eggs, 1/4 avocado sliced, 1 small whole wheat tortilla, salt and pepper to taste. Here is the process for making egg and avocado tortilla. Hey guys, can you do me a big favor and give that like button some love? It would mean the world to me and help support our channel. While you're down there, why not hit subscribe too? Alright, let's go back to the number 4 food recipe. Number 4. Vegetable tortilla recipe, 230 calories. Enjoying a vegetable tortilla recipe with approximately 230 calories offers a nutritious and flavorful meal option. Packed with an assortment of colorful vegetables, this tortilla provides essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, while its moderate calorie content make it a satisfying and balanced choice for a well-rounded diet. Here are the specific ingredients for vegetable tortillas recipe. 1 large whole wheat tortilla, 1/2 cup mixed vegetables, 1/4 cup diced tomatoes, 1/4 cup diced onions, 2 tablespoons shredded cheese, salt, pepper, and desired spices for seasoning. Here is the process for making vegetable tortilla recipe. Number 5. Greek chicken wrap, 350 calories. Indulging in a Greek chicken wrap with approximately 350 calories offers a delicious and satisfying meal choice. Packed with grilled chicken breast, crispy lettuce, cherry tomatoes, tangy feta cheese, and a flavorful tzatziki sauce, this wrap delivers a burst of Mediterranean flavors while providing protein, essential nutrients, and a balanced combination of ingredients. Here are the specific ingredients for Greek chicken wrap. 150 grams grilled chicken breast, 1 cup lettuce shredded about 50 grams, 1/4 cup tomatoes diced, 30 grams feta cheese crumbled, 2 tablespoons tzatziki sauce, whole wheat tortilla wrapped. Here is the process for making Greek chicken wrap. Number 6. Mediterranean wrap, 300 calories. Enjoying a Mediterranean wrap with approximately 300 calories provides a compelling reason to indulge in this delectable and nutritious meal. Bursting with Mediterranean flavors, this wrap showcases grilled or roasted chicken breast, a generous portion of mixed greens, tangy Kalamata olives, flavorful crumbled feta cheese, juicy diced tomatoes, and thinly sliced red onion. All of these ingredients come together harmoniously, complemented by a zesty Greek vinaigrette dressing with its well-rounded blend of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. This wrap offers a satisfying and wholesome option for a balanced meal. Here are the specific ingredients for Mediterranean wrap. 150 grams grilled or roasted chicken breast, 1 cup mixed greens, 10 Kalamata olives, pitted and sliced, 50 grams feta cheese crumbled, 1/4 cup diced tomatoes, 1/4 cup thinly sliced red onion, 2 tablespoons Greek vinaigrette dressing. Here is the process for making Mediterranean wrap. Number 7. Asian chicken wrap, 350 calories. Enjoying an Asian chicken wrap with approximately 350 calories offers compelling reasons to relish this delicious and nutritious meal. Packed with grilled chicken, breast strips, crisp shredded cabbage or coleslaw mix, thinly sliced bell peppers, matchstick carrots, scallions, and a delightful sesame ginger dressing, this wrap delivers a delightful fusion of flavors. The grilled chicken provides a lean source of protein, while the vibrant vegetables offer essential nutrients and fiber. The sesame ginger dressing adds a burst of Asian-inspired flavors, tying the ingredients together harmoniously with its well-balanced composition and moderate calorie content. This wrap makes a satisfying and wholesome option that can be enjoyed as part of a balanced diet. Here are the specific ingredients for Asian chicken wrap. 150 grams grilled chicken breast strips, 1 cup shredded cabbage or coleslaw mixed, 1/4 cup thinly sliced bell peppers, 1/4 cup matchstick carrots, 2 tablespoons sliced scallions, 2 tablespoons sesame ginger dressing, whole wheat tortilla wrap. Here is the process for making Asian chicken wrap. And that concludes our list of our 7 healthy tortilla wraps. Do you happen to know any healthy tortilla wraps that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always up to date on the best and healthiest foods available. And every bite, a taste of health and delight. And that is Healthy Bites. Bye!